Hi all viewers, welcome to MSR channel. On this PC performance boost up series, you're going to see how to remove the virus, spyware and malware on your system. Just go to the Windows security settings. This Windows security, you can see the virus and threat protection. Just click it on that. This virus and threat protection. You can see the virus and threat protection updates. On that field, you can click it on the check for updates. Make sure your network is on before doing this. For downloading the updated files, just click it on the check for updates. Okay, after downloading the updated files, just you can move it on scanning process. Just go on top and click on the scan option. You can see the 4 types of scanning options. The one is first one is quick scan, full scan, custom scan, and then Microsoft Defender offline scan. You can just click it on the quick scan, means you will be your system files and folders will be scrutinized, and then just the C folder files only scanning in the process, and then that files will only scrutinize and check it on any defecting files and threads are found on there. Or else you can click it on the full scan and then scan now. It will be scanned fully on your system drive. For example, you can partition your C files, D, E folder, all those files will be scrutinized. The custom scan, you can do it the scanning process on the specific files and folders. So in whatever drive in the C or D or E, any specific drive will be scanned, can be doing the process. So I can just click it on the quick scan process, and then it will be scrutinizing all files and folders in C files. If you're doing the quick scan process, it will be complete in 2 to 3 minutes. So it will be check on the system files only, so it won't take much time. Whether you can do it on the full scan process, it will be takes an hour. Whatever capacity storage your files and folders having on your system. So after doing the scanning process, you can see the full history of that scanning report, whether any threads or finding on your system, scan files and folders, and then how files you will be scanned on that files and folders. Just you can see the full detailed report on that. If any threads are found, it will be removed. So viewers, I hope this video will be helpful for you. So thanks for watching. Keep watching and make sure you subscribe the MSR channel for more videos.